It's really exciting and happy that this has come to be. I think you heard a lot of people clapping today as this was announced. Out of Hurricane Harvey, there was a lot of loss, and then the pandemic. And so the community had been hurt dramatically over here. They've actually lost population. And so to be able to have a workforce development here locally, this is a great opportunity for the people that live here, that want to work here, and that can provide better wages for their families.
Well, one reason is because the community was totally for this. We had no opposition from any level of government. People are, when we hear about it, they say, God, that's such a great idea. I'm so glad we're finally going to do this. And of course, Del Mar College made it happen. And when the county got the EDA grant, which is part of it, but I'm not sure we would have gotten it without the help of Del Mar College.
Well, believe me, since Hurricane Harvey, our team has been working hard, and we have a terrific team, and the whole county works together in bad times, and we're celebrating right now. It will produce more jobs and keep people in Aransas County instead of getting high school education or college education and moving off somewhere else. They get their education and born and raised here like I was. You can stay here if you have a job. You don't have to leave. It's a win-win for everybody.